The primary customer service goals for UC San Diego Health is providing our patients with the best-in-class patient experience. And also, my team is tasked with being the voice of that patient, finding out what the pain points are and bringing that information back so we can make those corrective actions. So not just for that patient, but for all the patients that come after that patient. I think the most significant challenge for us is the external environment is changing quite rapidly, especially with COVID and all the new state and federal billing regulations. And we want to be that trusted resource for that patient because we are the face of that billing experience for UC San Diego Health. So we want our team to be as well educated as possible to be able to make that patient feel comfortable and at ease that they're in good hands at UC San Diego Health. And from a Experian perspective, what I depend on them to do is create that bandwidth for my team. We want to reserve my customer service reps to be able to take that time to speak to those patients that have those very complicated questions. So I depend on Experian to automate a lot of my processes to create that bandwidth so my team can spend that time interacting with our patients instead of working the system. So we really depend on Experian to be that's technology support for us to create that bandwidth. The collaboration with Experian is really quite unique. We touch base every other week with Steffi, who is our consultant on our project. She's been our consultant since we went live with collections optimization in 2016. And I have a pretty creative, unique group. Any wild idea that we have to try to process improve something, Steffi's always agreeable to, well, let's see how we can make that work. And in a roundabout way, we've been able to pretty much make all of our wild ideas come to fruition with the help of Experian and some of the association with them and Epic and how we can send them data and do what we need to do with Experian and then bring it back into Epic and be able to automate the next steps off of that information that we get back from Experian is what has helped us to meet some of those metrics that I spoke about earlier.